Hindi pa pala ako late.
So, pag gano'n, ang sagot na lang lagi, ngayon, talo pa rin kayo. Okay na, wala kayong tanong. Sige, magpahinga na lang kayo. Kasi yung mga susunod na oras nyo ng pahinga, ipag-aaral nyo na lang. Bigyan ko na lang kayo ng coverage, okay? Any question? Any violent reaction? No. Wala. Sige, thank you. Hope to see you pa rin.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need.
Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17.
Tingnan nyo. May bago kaming spot na nakita. Yes. Daw may kasama, pero maganda naman.
Uy, nagsumbong! Nagsumbong siya, te. Kamay. Nasaan niya kapatid mo maligo? Ang kamay nakaawa. May energy dito si emergency dito. Ay, naawa niya na!
Ang cute. Uwi mo na, Andrew.
Hindi na ako nag-aano.
Alam mo, imbis na nagpapahinga yung kalabaw. Sige nga, hagis mo nga. Hagis mo nga daw.
Ay, parang ilag na ilag niya sa akin. Ngayon, kantahan mo nga. Wala, huli pa. Grabe naman. I am Moana. Kapag ako nasampal.
Sana mahulog si Ryan.
Sana akong delegate. Hindi kita.
Ano, na-abuse? Ayan, oh, ano titignan?
Tignan mo. Naka-face the wall.
Makita ba?
Naka-face the wall.
Ano ba yan? Ba't may nayugyug na dede? Nakakainis.
Hindi lang kaso ganyan pang laban.
Asan yung aso mo?
Dadaanan natin na bahay ng aso.
Asaan? Wala, against the light, nak. Nakakawalang gana yung asong yan.
Perfect, di ba cute?
Hindi.
Cute.